doing here? You're supposed to be dead! Well, there's no way you're getting to Mr. J. We're safe and sound up here. You can just stay down there and burn!
Alfred, Joker's holed up in the manager's office.
I'm sure.
Of course.
Quiet, Harley.
They've got that doorway covered. I need to find a different way to get past Joker's men.
No. I'm just saying. I thought the whole point of being locked up in here was that Batman was out there, you know, in Gotham.
You scared of the big bad bat?
No. I'm scared. Well, he broke 3 of my ribs back in my arm 6 months ago.
Better make sure he don't come too close then.
Easier said than done, man. Never seen him in action.
And when I do, I'm gonna teach him not to mess with him. Harley wants him dead, and I want a piece of Harley.
Are you insane? Harley? Have you forgotten about her boyfriend?
The way I hear it, the whole world will have forgotten about her boyfriend soon enough. Then I get a ride on the Harley.
Or a bullet in the face. Serious. Don't get too
Mr. J tells me you're the best guy he has. Come to think of it,
He's here.
he is
Don't let him get in.
delusional.
You take the door.
I hope for your sake he's right. Someone!
Shut it, Doc!
I hear any more of your yapping and I'll blow you.
What?
Sure it came from over there.
He's back!
What?
Please get me out of this thing.
How do you think poor Mr.
Can you stand?
Give me a second. What's wrong with these people? That crazy woman thinks I can fix the Joker.
What's wrong with him?
There's something in his blood. Some kind of toxin. It's killing him. He blames something called Titan.
Titan?
Yeah. Do you know what he's talking about? He kept going on about his last laugh.
Doc. Isn't that information supposed to be confidential?
What's happening? How does she know what we're saying?
Get that door sealed up nice and tight, boys. We don't want that fireman escaping till we...
At least they won't be getting in. We're safe, right?
Wait here, Doctor.
What the hell are you doing?
I need to get out of here. Someone needs to stop Joker. Stay here. You'll be safe.
You sure?
If you hear anyone coming, hide. I'll be back.
The plan?
It's not a plan. It's a suicide note.
I'm not scared of him. The door's welded shut, and he's just some freak in a costume.
Okay, then you stand in front.
Why, you chicken?
Will you two just shut the hell up and get ready?
It's the freaking bat!
Protocol 10 will commence in 9 hours.
Too slow, you big ugly bat! What's wrong with you, B-Man? You come into Mr. J's home and start smashing into pieces? Surprise, B-Man! Meet Mr. Hammer. He's gonna teach you some manners.
We'll make sure this... We'll kill you, bat freak.
We'll kill you, bat! Hold still.
You!
Get out of my way, Quinn.
Leave us alone, B-Man! Just leave me with him.
I said move!
Huh. This is all your fault! You've hounded him for years, beat him to a pulp, and for what? Why are you so mean?
Surprise! You fell for the old fake Joker gag, Batman.
Batter up!
Wonder Tower, huh? They taught us about that.
Sounds
thing
like
in
the
school.
detective will be busy with the Joker for a while. Good. Gives this kitten some time to play. So what next? Help tall, brooding, and handsome? Or help myself do all the loot Professor Strange has locked up in that vault of his? I know. Difficult choice, right? What will it be? Find Croc and have him rip a hole into the vault? Ask Penguin for some explosives? Not my style. I always prefer a woman's touch in these situations. Stay where you are, Ivy. I'm coming to get you. I need to get my kit from my apartment.